Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are well. Dear students, today we are going to cover the remaining keys on the keyboard. So today we will cover control key, alt key, function keys and escape key. In the previous lecture we have covered backspace key, shift key, delete key and cursor key. So let's start, dear students. Control key. Control key. Control key is used in combination with other keys to perform some specific task. For example, we use control key and A to select all. So if I am going to press control plus A, we select all the text. So now again control plus C. Control plus C is used to copy. So we use these both keys to copy this selected text. So now I am going to paste here. So control plus V. We both press control and the alphabet V to paste this text. So control plus V. So we paste the copy text. So dear students, let's read from the book. Control key. Dear students, on keyboard the control key is used CTRL. The next key is alt key. Alt key is also used in combination with other keys. Alt key is used with number keys to type special symbols like beta, theta, etc. For example, dear students, here is the alt key on the keyboard. We press this alt key with numeric keypad. Dear students, on the keyboard we have two alt keys. So if I am going to press this alt key with this one numeric key, so this symbol is appear. If I am going to press alt key and the 1, so the smiley faces appear. Now I am going to press alt key and the numeric number 4, so the symbol is appear. Dear students, we do not use these number keys above the alphabets. We use the numeric keypad with alt key, the combination of both keys, numeric keypad and the alt key, to type different symbols. Let's read from the book. A key which perform different functions depending on the applications. Now the next key is function keys. Function key. Function key are used to perform specific tasks. Students, these are the function keys F1 to F12. Dear students, I will tell you the function of these two keys. So F1 is used for help. Dear students, you are going some work on computer, you have a problem. Dear students, if you need a help in computer, press F1 for help. For example, we open Microsoft Word, we need help. Now I am going to press F1. Now look, when I press F1, the help window is open now. Students, look, the helping window is open. Now function of F2. F2 is used to rename the file or folder. Dear students, we are on desktop. Students, look at this file. If you want to change the name of this file, so first I select this file. Now press F2. So dear students, I am going to press F2. Here I am going to change the name of this file. So class 2 is the new name of this file. So dear students, this is the function of F2 to rename the file name or folder. Let's read from the book. All keys on the keyboard which can be used to perform a command. Most keyboards have a row of keys along the top numbered F1 through F12. Next key is escape key. Escape key. Dear students, on the keyboard the escape key is placed here. So dear students, escape key is used to close sub window, actions, menu and pop-up which you open under current program. For example, dear students, look up now. Here we are working on the window desktop. So if I open the start menu, here is the start menu. So, and if we want to close this, we can press the escape key from the keyboard. So it will close. Dear students, if we open a pop-up window, press right click of the mouse, this pop-up window appear. So if I am going to close this window, I am going to press escape key. So escape key is pressed, the pop-up window is closed. Okay, let's read from the book. Also called escape key, it is a key in the upper left corner of the keyboard which has different meanings. It might mean quiet, cancel, and or close. Tips for using keyboard. Using the keyboard properly can help avoid injury to your wrist, hand, and arm. Here are some tips to help you avoid these problems. So, tip number 1 is place the keyboard at the elbow level. Dear students, look at this picture. In this picture, our elbow is placed on the chair handle and keyboard in front of you. And the second tip is center the keyboard in front of you. Yes, dear students, center the keyboard in front of you. Third one is while typing, keep your waist straight. While typing, keep your waist like this. Tip 4. Take short break from computer. Use every 30 to 40 minutes. Yes, dear students, you use the computer. When you use the computer, take a short break for every 30 to 40 minutes. Okay students, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.